from eastern part. I am heading eastern region, central region, and some part of southern region. We are having machines of entire range of products, and in trading activities, for industrial activities, all the products are there, all heavy machines. And in India, in fact, against all major companies of welding industries like ISAF, Ador, Panasonic, as well as Corneas, then Kempi, we have good machines. We can place them against them, and for that, all the customers are getting benefits, and we are getting one by one. We are introducing new machines. Recently, we are going to launch our Virgo Plus laser welding machine also in India. We have supplied in 2-3 places, and the performance of the machines is very good. And mainly, we are very strong in these waterproof machines. In India, there are only 2 companies that are supplying waterproof machines. Out of that, we are one of them. There are 5 ranges of products here, starting from 200 amps up to 450 amps. There are 5 models, and exclusively machines are very good, number one, and we are giving 1-year replacement guarantee of these machines, which nobody gives. So even after using of 11 months, the machine fails, then same day we give the replacement of the machine. Yes, you take it. Give the old machine and take a new machine. So generally, the percentage we consider not even failure of 5%. It is very negligible. So absolutely the quality of the Virgo machines of entire range of products, it is very good. And all over in my area, because I'm 3-4 regions I am looking after. So most of the customers are very, very happy. And now customers of Ador customer, ISAP customer, Panasonic customers, one by one they are coming to us, they are taking our machine, and we are also in a position to satisfy them. That is our strength. Technology wise, the machine is very superior. We are manufacturing heavy duty machines. Failure of the machine is very, very less. That's why we are getting success day by day. And day by day, our improvements of the sales figure is happening. We are in a position to satisfy all the customers, and we are technically also, we are very equipped. We are having service guys in all the places all over India, pan India. Thank you very much.